Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and I provide sessions related to IELTS regularly on my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I am actually not going to talk about any tips or techniques, but here we are going to do something very useful for each one of you. So here we have one of our favorite students, Neha, and she'll firstly introduce herself and you'll get to know what exactly is this session about. So Neha, will you please introduce yourself?
Yes, actually, I'm Neha. My profession is of a dentist, and I have recently cracked my IELTS exam with a really good score.
Okay, so what is your score?
It's overall 8. In listening, I got 9. In reading, 8, and in writing and speaking, I got 7.
Okay, 7 each. That's great. Okay, so was this your first time? Like, was this your first attempt?
No, actually, I it was my second attempt of the GT exam, and earlier I've also taken the academic one also. So it was
Okay, okay, so exactly it was your third attempt.
yes.
First time you appeared for academic test, then you appeared for GT. What was your score in academic test?
In academic, it was overall 7.5.
Okay,
In
and in GT?
GT was also the same 7.5.
Okay, and this time you have got overall 8.
Yes.
Okay, so like zero point 0.5 band. Okay, so what exactly, how did you prepare earlier? This was the last attempt and the final one, and you have already got your golden scores. So congratulations for that. But what exactly happened in the previous attempt? Because previous was the first attempt of GT module. So
Yes.
what exactly happened? Where were you lacking? What did you get to know?
Actually, in the writing module, I had some major problems. So
Okay.
I needed someone to evaluate those tasks because it was very long, like letters and essays were really long and they were not concise and to the point.
Okay.
I needed someone to correct it.
So basically, you were not coherent.
Yes.
Okay, so you know it well now, Hannah. You know exactly what exactly coherence is now, and you will never forget it ever in your life. I believe so. Okay, so why did you choose us? Why did you choose IELTS Made Easy?
Actually, watched your videos from YouTube channel, and
Okay.
in fact, I watched them during my preparation of the first time when I first
Okay.
attempted the GT exam.
Hmm.
So I found it really genuine and helpful. So I decided to take the online classes.
Okay, that's great. So, what was the turning point in your preparation?
Well, the turning point was when I got someone to evaluate my writing tasks, and I recognized my weak points and improved them with the help of the tutor.
Okay, fair enough. So basically, you approached IELTS Made Easy, and then one of the batches was scheduled, and you were the student of our personal classes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So now I believe I can call you Dr. Neha.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so that's great. And what is your aim? Like you're planning to move abroad, what do you want to do there? Obviously, something related to the same profession only. And it's actually one of the most prosperous professions in Canada as well. I have so many dentists as my students, and I know this really well. So, is it one of the reasons you're planning to go abroad?
Yes, actually, I'm planning to go in a non-clinical field like healthcare administration.
Okay,
So I'll pursue my graduate certificate in that and then
okay,
for a PR.
okay, that's great. And I wish you best of luck for the same.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Acha Neha, I would like to ask you some questions related to your preparation. You have already told us that you watched the videos in the first attempt as well.
Yes.
But with videos, you got to know the concepts. But
Yeah.
apart from the concepts, you realize that you actually realized evaluation is most important.
Yes.
So
Definitely.
I have also told the same in many videos of mine, because if you're not getting your essays evaluated, you're not getting your speaking essays, you will not be able to know where exactly you stand. जब तक पता ही नहीं है कि टीचर की कहाँ पे मैं गलत हूँ, you will not be able to improve, क्योंकि बहुत सारी mistakes ग्रामर से related हमें पता भी नहीं होती. So हमें लगता है कि ग्रामर तो मुझे आती है, I speak really well, but you will not believe, Neha, I still work on grammar. I still take care of, I still prepare regularly. I devote 1.5 hours on a regular basis for the preparation, not exactly preparation, I would say preparation of the content for videos, preparation for improving me, like as an educator. So I'm improving myself as an educator because of this only. So I believe that only help you, but you were telling that earlier also you got overall 7.5. So what exactly was the score in separate modules?
It was 8.5 in listening and 8 in reading, 7 in speaking, and 6.5 in writing.
Okay, so the major problem was in writing only.
Yes.
Okay, because in reading and listening you were already good.
Yeah, I was fine.
Okay, can you please tell us what exactly did you do for reading module? Because there are many students out there who face problem in reading, and reading is like something as a trauma for them, or reading is something that haunts them. So what exactly do we need to do?
Well, practice is the most important. I used to do like one reading daily. So for like 20 to 25 days, um, at the end of the 20 to 25 days, I attempt almost like 25 readings. So it helped me a lot. And I worked on the weak parts like true, false, and the headings part. So I attempted those questions which included these sections.
Okay, so I believe you did smart work rather than hard work. You
Yeah.
did readings, but you were working on your mistakes. You were working on your weak parts, and that way you improved. Okay, one more thing related to reading only. Do you start looking at the questions first, or do you start with the passage?
No, actually, I look at the questions first.
Okay, and you start with the first section or the last section?
Actually, I will always start with the blanks part because I can do it easily. And whenever I'm finding the answers for the blanks, I come across the other answers too, like related to headings and true false.
Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, so now we have got to know that the difficult module was writing only, and you face problem in this only. So when you were preparing for the first time, were you checking it yourself at home? Because there is one of my videos as well wherein I have told how to check your answers yourself. Were you trying to check it on your own?
Yes, I checked it on my own and like I found few mistakes, but still I was not able to recognize what was the major problem.
Okay. So now, when you were like, when you took the preparation actually, when you started taking coaching from us, so that particular time you realized that there were more mistakes. And what were the mistakes mainly related to?
Well, there were a few mistakes related to grammar, and the
Okay.
problem was the word limit.
Okay.
Yes, my
Okay.
letters were really long.
Okay. So how many words were you writing in letter?
Like in letter, it may exceed 200 words.
Okay.
So
Okay.
long. Yes.
Okay. And what about essay writing?
Essays, it was around 290 or 300 always. In fact, sometimes it was 310 or 312.
Okay. So basically, I would just say one thing, Neha. The word limit was not a problem for you, to be frank to you. Word limit was never a problem for you because whenever I write like 210 words, 220 words as well in letter, and 320 words in essay. So the problem is like at times we are writing and we are not being coherent. So
Yes.
maybe that was the problem. There were two things in your essays and letters as well, because every week, yeah, you were taking the personal classes from us, and one of the educators was assigned to you. But every Tuesday, I have the weekly discussion with my educators, and during that discussion, I discuss every single student. So I have seen your letters and essays as well, and I have given the feedback to your educator also. I believe you took coaching from Crystal, ma'am. है ना?
Yes.
So yes, so I have like given the feedback also. So there was no problem. The major problem was coherence and grammar. So grammar में small problems, like some minor problems were there, and along with that some problems were related to coherence. Maybe you were not planning your essay properly.
Yeah, maybe.
So now, like exactly, I believe you must have started the preparation, you must have started planning and even proof checking your answers at the end.
So
Okay.
get the time to check my essays. It was,
Okay.
really long. Yes.
Okay, that's great. So I believe you have achieved your golden score and you are really happy for that part. And I believe we were able to serve you in the best manner we could. And in the last attempt only you came to us and you took the coaching for, I believe, how long did you take the coaching from us?
It was, I think, around 15 days.
Okay.
My time limit was increased.
Okay. Okay. So basically in 15 days you got your golden score. So that's great, Neha, and I wish you best of luck for your future endeavors. And if you need any help from us, we are just a call away or even a message away on YouTube. So thank you so much for giving your precious time and best of luck again.
Pleasure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Bye-bye.